Okay. So now what is it asking me? No SQL Server instance was found. There is no instance was found means it was fresh installation. Okay. For instance name enter SID. So here we need to provide our SID. No SQL Server instance was found. Enter the new existing name of a 64-bit SQL Server 2008 R2 instance. For default instance, if you require default instance, click on default. For a named instance, enter SID. Okay. What is my SID? We will try to install with the DEV SID. Got it? Click on OK. So now SAP recommendation. SAP recommends that you install a default instance. We are not installing a default instance. Okay. We have selected our own SID, right? So click on no. SAP, what SAP suggested? You need to install default instance, right? SAP suggested, but in this, before this screen, previous screen, what we got? Default instance, or if you want to give your own instance. What we selected in the previous screen? We have selected our own SID, right? So now here, click on no. So now it is showing the information. What is the information? My SQL instances I have given DEV is my SID, database instance SID. And what is my SQL Server version? 10.50.2769. What is my SQL edition? 2008 R2 Enterprise Edition. Okay, this information you have chosen to install the new instance means this information we have selected. The installation might take 15 minutes or longer. Do you want to start the installation now? Okay, click on OK. Now you see
So
installing. Tell me.
yeah, so this is the DB SID, right?
Yes, correct.
DB.
Database instance SID.
And one more thing, actually, in this VB script, do we get that by default in the setup, or we have created this script?
No, this VB script, this script will be available in your database software downloads.
Okay,
See, this is my database software download. This is I have downloaded from Service Marketplace only.
okay, okay, okay,
Okay,
okay, okay.
from Service Marketplace. See, the naming convention I kept SQL Server 2008, but in when you are selecting any software from Service Marketplace, if it is a database or if it is a SAP related export CDs, kernel CDs or anything, okay, it will give you the numbering. It will show you the number based. Okay, so those will be comes under zip files. First of all, those will be comes under zip files. What you will do? Download the zip file. Okay, copy the zip file into the server. Unzip that files. Okay, once unzip that files. Okay, in that unzip, it will show you these all informations. Like what are the files are available in database in database. You will see all these files. Okay,
Okay,
this is not I have not created. Okay.
okay, okay. And yeah, one more thing. Actually, how we copy by WinSAP, or we directly download into the uh, required server?
Oh, okay. I think I discussed in last class. Okay, no problem. Just give you, I will give you one overview. See,
Okay,
this
okay,
is my local desktop. This is my local desktop. Okay, this is my operating system. My server means this server. Which one? 122.175.36.113. This is my server. In this server, I want to install my SAP NetWeaver 7.0 SQL Server and all the things. So from my local desktop, I have connected to SMP. SMP means Service Marketplace. and
Right.
I have downloaded all the softwares. What are softwares I require? I have downloaded into my local desktop only. Okay. Now I need to dump this software from here to server. So I required one software WinSCP. Okay, through WinSCP I can connect to this server. Through WinSCP I can dump this software from local machine to server machine. Okay, this is small application software. You can download this from Google. Okay, you will get it from Google, and once this has been installed, it will ask you create a new session. In the new session it will ask you the IP address, username and password. IP address in the sense this server IP address I need to mention. Username in the sense this admin
Yeah.
user, like presently I have an administrator user and password. Then you can dump
Right.
it.
All right. But if
Okay.
WinSCP is very slow, right?
I will tell you. So this is Windows. Okay. For example, my server is a Linux operating system. For example, this is my Linux operating system. Then in WinSCP also I can connect to my Linux operating system and I can dump my software to this server. Okay. So here we have some challenges. Okay, first of all you are downloading software here. Okay, for downloading, for example, it took 5 hours. Okay, and again you are dumping the software from local machine to server side. Again it took 5 more hours. So totally 10 hours it took only copying the software only, right? So to avoid this, what I will do is how to download my software from Service Marketplace. I think we discussed in our last class how to download softwares from Service Marketplace.
By download basket, right?
Huh. First of all, we need to add software into download basket. Next step.
That we can download.
For that download, we require a SAP download manager.
Yes.
Download manager. Okay. Before that, we need to add those softwares to my download basket. Okay. So this download manager, I can install this download manager. I can install my local desktop. Okay. Then only I can download all these softwares into my local desktop. Okay. And one more other way, you can install this download manager directly into the server. Okay. You can install this download manager directly into the server only. Directly you can install here. You can install in Windows or Linux. Okay. For example, I have installed my download manager here. Okay. If I open this download manager, if I provide my S user ID and credentials, I will get all the softwares will show here. And directly I can download into the server itself only. So for download, how much time it is taking? 5 hours. So the to dump the software, again it is taking 5 hours. So I am reducing this 5 hours, right? I am saving these 5 hours right now. So either way you can do. If you want, you can download in a local desktop through WinSCP. You can dump this software, or you can install SAP Download Manager in server itself only, and you can download the software directly into the server. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Any 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 doubts?
No.
Okay, fine. The other batch guys also is joined. Raghu and Balkrishna.
Balakrishna may be outside right now. I think
Okay, got it. Uh, Raghu,
yes.
are you understanding?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Have you reached it? Have you reached your home?
Sorry?
Have you reached your hometown?
No, no. Still in the traveling.
Oh, okay. So
Yes.
you are connected. You are connected through your mobile.
Yes, yes.
Okay. No problem. If you have any doubts, then we will discuss in our next
Okay,
classroom
okay.
training. Next classroom training. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Just mute your mic. Okay. So see, now I'm installing. Where is this MS Paint? Yeah. Now I'm installing database. Okay. DB installation. After that, I need to start my SAP NetWeaver 7.0. Okay, so little bit we'll discuss. Okay, and in older SAP versions, we have installed. Okay, we there is one tool you required, right, to install. See, before starting, we'll go to the database. How you are installing the database installation right now? Using some VB script, right? Using some VB script, you are installing SQL Server. Once you open VB script, you will see one window, right? Means that is tool, installation tool. Using VB script tool, we are installing our database, right? So the same concept in SAP also, if you want to install SAP, we require one tool. Okay, using that tool, we can install our SAP. Okay, so in older versions, this tool will be opened using one software. Okay, installation master. Okay, I will tell you the tool name. Okay, installation master. Now in new versions, SAP has given SWPM, software provisioning manager. Software provisioning manager. Okay, so using this we can open the installation tool. What is my installation tool? SAP INST is my installation tool name. This is my tool name. Installation tool name. SAP INST. Okay. Through SAP INST tool, I can install my SAP. Installing. Still it is installing.
And Ramu, can once you show me some if you get time, okay, how from where we have to download the software exactly, because in service marketplace it's confusing little bit.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
We'll go through why we are wasting time. What is my service marketplace URL? service.sap.com. Okay. So this is my SAP website, service.sap.com. Go to the SAP support portal. So here we have a tabs, different types of tabs. To software downloads, you need to go to software downloads tab. Okay, now we require a credentials also, right? Yes, user ID credentials. So see, go to the software downloads. It's taking time. Installing SQL Server Enterprise Edition on x64. So now it is asking me the credentials. So I require a S user ID credentials. So now in software downloads, we have three different parts, three different types of tabs. One is installations and upgrades. Second one is support packages and patches. Third one is databases. Okay. If you are installing a fresh system, then you need to go to the installation. If you are doing any upgrades, okay, then you need to go to the upgrades. If you are doing any support packages and patches, okay, for example, I have some SAP version, okay, in SAP version I have a component like ABAP component is there, okay, that ABAP component I need to update the patch level, okay, then I will go to the support packages and patches, okay. If you want to select, if you want to download the database, like see, D2 for LUW, DB2 means DB2 is one of the database. Okay, Informix. Informix also is one of the database. MS SQL Server, Oracle, SAP Max DB, SAP Adaptive Server in Enterprise. ASE is nothing but a, this is Sybase, Sybase database. Okay, MS SQL database. MS SQL Server IA64, MS SQL x86-64. This is Windows operating system types. Okay, our type is x86 64-bit. Okay, and what are the servers versions are there? MS SQL 2008, MS SQL 2012, MS SQL 2014, MS SQL 2016. These are the different types of databases. Okay, and go to the installation. This is my operating system, Microsoft SQL Server. Sorry, not operating system, my database. So here you can find out all the MS SQL Server related databases. See, every file is contains some naming convention, right? Every file it contains some naming conventions. See here, related info, okay? Click on related info and go to the content info. We'll see what it contains. Again, it will ask you credentials. Okay, what it means this file, okay, RDBMS MS SQL Server 2008 R2 SP11 of 9, this file content information will be saved here. Okay, this file content information means in that file what are the contents are there, what are the contents are there. These are the contents available in that file. Okay, so many are there. To check the content information, we need to select this. Click on related info and go to content info. Okay. This is to download the database.
Hello.
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
Ramu, but here we are getting lots of files. So how to identify which file to be downloaded?
Because in that we will have a lot of files. Okay, just we'll see again. MS SQL Server database. See here, database patches also is there. If you want to do a patch, then you need to go to the patches. Okay, database x86 64-bit 2008 installation. So now these are SP11 support package level SP11 of 9. This is SP12 support package level 12. Okay, SP13, SP14 support package levels. These are. Sorry. I got confused. SP1 is a support package 1. So SP1 in my RDBMS SQL Server 2008 SR2 means service release SR2 in SP1 we have a different files are there. 1 of 9, 2 of 9, 3 of 9 means we have total 9 files are there in RDBMS SP1 support package 1 in RDBMS 2008 R2 in SP1 we have 9 files are there. 1 of 9, 2 of 9, 3 of 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to here up to 9. Okay, this is R2 2008 R2. Okay, and this is not a 2000, this is only 2000, this is not a R2.
Okay.
See, in this here we have a SP1 1 of 6 means we have a total 6 files are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we need to understand, we need to see which one I need to install. Which one I need to install. So that's why before starting the installation, we need to check which operating system version I need to install, which SAP application version I need to install. Okay, if you clear in that, then you can easily identify the softwares from service marketplace, because in service marketplace there are so many files will be there. Okay, sometimes there might be old files will be there, and sometimes there might be a new files also will be there. Okay, so that's why before starting your installation, you need to confirm which operating system version I need to install, which SAP version I need to install. For to understand this database version, to understand to SAP version on which operating system and what is the system type. It is a x86 64-bit, it is a 32-bit, okay? Is it a Windows operating system? Is it a Linux operating system? So this information we need to clear before starting the installation. Before downloading the installation, not starting the installation. Okay, if you are clear all this information, then you can easily identify the required files from service marketplace. Okay, for example, my requirement is I want to install MS SQL Server 2008 R2. Okay, it has given me information, install MS SQL Server 2008 R2. Then I need to come here, I need to select here one of 9 means all 9 files you need to select and you need to download.
Means
Okay,
all the
if
9.
you take, yes, exactly. One of 9 means you need to select, you need to download all the 9 files. Okay, this all 9 files. Select this 7, 8,
So it will,
9.
yeah. So it will generate
Okay.
one exe, or there are different 9 exes are there.
So once you download it, it will download 9 files.
Okay.
Okay. So after that, you need to uncar this file. Okay. Once you uncar one file, what will happen is it will create one folder with this naming convention. 5104482 folder will be created. In that folder, all the remaining files, all the remaining files will be uncared and saved in this directory only.
Okay.
Got it? So
Means
I have
we have to,
select.
yeah. Means we have to create one main directory 510444827,
No,
and
not to create. No need to create. When you are
okay.
uncarring, it will create automatically one directory with the name of this 5104482
Okay.
Okay, so it will create, and in that directory it will uncar all the 9 files. All the 9 files it will uncar and it will store into this directory only. And if you open this directory, you will see all the files.
No, no, means if there are we have downloaded 9 files, right? So if we click on one file, so it will extract that file only, right? So we have to do this thing for the 9 times.
No. One time is required, because no need to do 9 times. Okay, this is exe file.
Okay, okay, I got it.
This is a,
So yeah, so we have to execute this first file, and then it will extract all the 9 files into same one folder, right? And that we can install.
yes, yes, correct,
Okay, okay, okay,
correct,
okay.
correct. So see here, we got one information here. Installation finished successfully. The verification after the installation showed SQL instance is DEV. Instance means SID, means my instance SID. Okay, and the version and the collection. Okay. MS SQL 2008 R2. Okay. R2 only we have installed, right? Is it correct? MS
Yes.
SQL Management Studio. We will see about this studio. Okay. This is a tool.
Okay.
MS SQL Management Studio. Using this, we can administrate our MS SQL database. Means we can take backups, we can restore the backups, okay, we can check the what are the data files are there and transaction log, okay, and we can change the simple to means log mode, okay, means you want to generate the RK files or not, okay. See, system databases, master database, model database, MSDB database, temp DBs. This is the structure of SQL Server database. This is the structure of server database, MS SQL Server database. Okay. Once we installed SAP Server, then we will get here DEB database. DEB database. Once we installed our SAP. Okay, we'll discuss about this tool after our completion of installation. So now we installed MS SQL Server. Okay, so here I selected these components. I will click on here, add to download basket, and after that I will go to the download manager and I can download directly.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
tomorrow we will complete a SAP NetWeaver 7.0 version. Okay, already database already installed. Just we need to go through with SAP installation. Okay, in SAP installation we need to provide a more information. It will ask you about the SID. It will ask you about the installation number and other things. Okay.
NetWeaver installation will be same for 7.0 and 7.1, right? The process will be same, right? Or it will change after 7.1?
7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3. Installation screens are same.
Okay.
Okay, and database installation is different. If you are selecting Oracle, different installation. If you are going to HANA, sorry, not HANA. If you are going to SQL, different installation. Okay, from
Okay.
7.4 onwards, installation has been different because up to my 7.0, 1, 2, 3, NetWeaver 7.3, I have a dual stack system installation. Okay, in 7.4, okay, SAP has separated the ABAP stack and dual stack. SAP has been separated the stacks individually. Means individually I can install ABAP stack, individually I can install Java stack. Okay.
So in NetWeaver, which product will consist? It will be only one product, or it has a combination of product?
No, NetWeaver 7.4 onwards. What is my NetWeaver? NetWeaver is a base platform. Based on the platform, SAP has come up with some products like EP, PI, XI. Whatever components are available, whatever products are available in my new NetWeaver 7.4, 7.5, all I can do standalone installations.
Means after NetWeaver installation, we have to install that product also, right? Or it will be installed by using NetWeaver installation?
For example, I'm using NetWeaver 7.5.
Right.
Okay. Once you downloaded NetWeaver 7.5, in that NetWeaver 7.5, it will show you what are the components, means products. Products are there in NetWeaver 7.5. For example, PI. Okay. For example, EP, PI.
Right.
So you need to select the PI and you need to go through the installation steps.
Okay, means while doing installation of NetWeaver, that component also will get installed, right?
Yes, yes. So
Okay.
this is called nothing but a one business suite. Okay. In my business suite, SAP has included all the applications like CRM application, SRM applications, ERP applications. ERP applications is my SAP applications.
Right.
So tomorrow we'll see SAP NetWeaver installation. Okay. Once this has been completed, then after that you will do you can do your installation. Okay. You will receive the
Okay.
server access. Fine.
Yeah, fine.
Okay then. Bye. Have a nice day.
Yeah. Yeah. Same to you.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.